Hey, what's going on? It's your boy B with the Beard, and this is Beard Food Thursday. On this Beard Food Thursday, we have something that's going to be delicious. It's going to be sweet, so if you have a sweet tooth, you definitely want to stay tuned to this demonstration. It is the coconut and berry ice cream. The summer is upon us. We're only but days away, not that long. And so I wanted to create something that would be healthy and at the same time, a nice dessert. This ice cream is flooded with minerals, with nutrients for the health of your beard and your hair. Now we're talking about omega-3s, omega-6, iron, we're talking about magnesium, antioxidants, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin A, and the list goes on. All in this nice, beautiful dessert that we have. This coconut berry dessert. You definitely would want to add to your summer meal. All right. And on top of that, I can't forget two things. One, it's non-dairy. It's non-dairy. There's no added fat. And then secondly, make sure you guys go to blackmensgroomingden.com. Make sure you guys go ahead, check it out. Pick up your beard grooming products, your hair grooming products, also your facial and body grooming products. All right. With that said, let's get right into the demonstration. All right, fellas, you're going to need about a cup of mixed with blueberries, strawberries. They can be frozen or not frozen, or non-frozen rather. So a cup would do, or half a cup, depending on what your taste level is. So you're gonna need about 3 to 5 of these Choco Crunch sprouted cookies. It's about 3 to 5. All right, fellas. So then you're gonna need about 3 to 4 tablespoons, roughly, of this coconut milk. Ice cream. It's dairy free and it has no added sugar at all. I hope that you guys enjoyed that demonstration. The ingredients, the recipe, the instructions are down in the bottom of the description, along with some other links. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe. All right, it's that easy. And then also leave your comments. I appreciate that. Share this if you find that this would be beneficial for someone else. Share it, please. Thank you. Thank you and thank you. This your boy B with the Beard, and you already know. We out.